we're in the right area, but we still can't find it. There's everything. Things for your shawls, shoes, makeup, everything. Keep following the arrows. Oh. Hi darling, I told you that we would find one or two. We found one. We cut it. We actually chopped it down. Yes. God, if you look at scruff. We've got the one, the Sally Ann shoes. Now this can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shoes. So we need 18 of those, and we're very cool. And it can hold 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 6 handbags. So we'll need 2 of these as well, at least. There, I'm gonna have a bear. I'm gonna have the bear on my bare backside. I just can't believe this. Halloween has also arrived in Warrington. So Halloween is in Leeds. It's the middle of August. Sally Ann says no, give her a kiss this morning. We have got our shoe racks. Oh, by the way, we've had Wi-Fi issues as well, so don't panic if you think we're... Bye! The tills in IKEA and all the express ones are shut. Number 1. Only another 40.
Where are you going to put the next one?
On the outside here.